me visitas, te doy la bienvenida a mi hogar. Chicas, como pueden ver, tenemos aquí a toda la familia. Vamos a estar haciendo un juego que se llama ¿Quién es el más probable de hacer algo? Por ejemplo, vamos a decir ¿quién es el más probable de quedarse dormido viendo una película? Y todos ponemos el nombre. Y todos ponemos el nombre del que es más probable. Así que aquí tenemos los nombres de todos los miembros de la familia. Y pues vamos a estar leyendo algunas de las preguntas que tenemos aquí. Y vamos a responder quién es más probable de hacer algo. ¿Ok? ¿Listos?
Yeah.
¿Ya? ¿Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No show answers.
¿Quién es más probable de terminar de comer primero?
What?
Sit down. Okay, so who's most likely to finish eating their food first? Escojan su nombre y cuando estén listos, no, put it down. We'll all pick it up together. Ready? Ready?
Wait.
No? Okay. I think is most likely to finish eating their food
Who
first.
finish your food first all the time?
That one says Danny. Do you think Danny? No? That says Elizabeth. Do you think Elizabeth? No? That says Shayla. Do you think Shayla? No? That says Papi. Do you think Papi? Okay, he's the best. Okay, come here. Let's choose. Okay, ready? Ready? We're gonna show your answers. What do you choose? Papi?
Papi.
Papi?
Papi.
Sure.
Sí, papi.
I choose Papi.
I choose papi.
Juan. Yes.
Papi.
Show your answer like this. Papi. Ellie, did you choose Papi?
Yes, I
Yes?
did.
Yeah, so Papi.
No, it does papi, everybody.
Yeah, Papi wins. ¿Quién es más probable de hablar mientras duerme? Who's most likely to talk on their sleep? Okay, I'm not ready yet. Matthew, who's most likely to talk when they're sleeping?
No, we can't share answers.
Yourself? Okay, you're so cute. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
No.
Ready? No? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it up. Shayla. What did you get?
Me.
Elizabeth?
Yes, I talk when
Shayla?
I'm sleeping.
Okay.
She says that. Yeah, she sings when she sleeps. And she goes like, Danny, I love you so much.
Me? No!
No, I know who is.
Who?
Last time we told you show. I would show them.
Yeah, Matthew. Okay, so tenemos 2 Shaylas y 2 Ellis, a tie. Es un empate. Okay, vamos con la siguiente
That's a
pregunta.
sleepwalk and sleep conversation.
Ellie's like, Nanny, don't forget I love you.
¿Quién es más probable de tener una habitación desordenada? 1,
2, 3.
2, ¿qué fue papá? 3. ¿Quién? ¿Quién es?
Sheila,
Danny,
Danny, Matthew,
Matthew.
Danny, Ellie.
Daniela.
Danny.
Who chose me?
No
Come
one.
on.
Oh, Elizabeth.
I choose Danny.
I choose Ellie.
Hey!
¿Quién es más probable de hacerse vegetariano? To become a vegetarian.
Let me this.
Who's most likely? That's me, mommy.
You did that?
Yeah, who's most likely to become a vegetarian?
Ah.
1, 2, 3. A ver, ¿quién tiene? You?
Mommy. Ellie.
Ellie? No.
So,
Mommy.
that's like
Okay,
She
yo
never likes
perdí.
me.
Ya,
She doesn't like me.
ya. Okay. La siguiente pregunta.
Ya.
¿Quién es más probable de animar a otra persona? Who's most likely to cheer someone else?
Who is it?
Who's most likely to cheer someone? To make them feel better. That's Danny. 1, 2, 3. What do you guys choose?
You. Matthew, Papi.
Oh.
I choose you. I choose Papi.
Shayla,
Wait, Papi, you choose
I choose Papi.
Thank you. Hey, not me.
Yeah, you make us happy. You make us happy.
You're like, oh, Annie, I always forgive you.
He's the guy dog.
But I picked Shayla.
Yeah, that's sweet. Okay,
I picked Papi. What did you pick? Mommy.
I picked Papi.
I picked
Yeah,
Papi
Aw.
as well. Don't cry, my baby. Don't cry. We are going to the hospital. And don't
Thank you, you see? I told you it's Matthew. It's Matthew. ¿Quién es más probable de comer con las manos? Who's most likely to eat with their hands? ¿Listos? Uno, dos. Okay. Tres. Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, it was my hands that
Elizabeth.
much.
Yes, you do.
Daniela. Yes, you do. Matthew. And Matthew.
Daddy eats with her hands too.
Okay,
I
say
use
it,
my
say
hands no
it.
matter what it is. I even make my mac and cheese with my hands.
Ya,
I eat with my hands.
you guys are
They're so
cute.
gross.
Okay. Siguiente pregunta. ¿Quién es más probable de ser exigente con su comida? To be picky with their food. Who's most likely to be picky with their food?
I already know this.
Who's most likely to be picky with their food, Matthew?
I know, right?
Picky. Like, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that with the food. Who?
I already know who it is.
Uno, dos,
tres.
Mommy, you liar.
Mommy,
Mentirosa.
the page.
Papi.
Shayla! Shayla's always picky.
Matthew?
Shayla's like, no, I don't want that for dinner.
Yeah.
Seriously?
No.
You're like, wait,
Y yo
it's
seré así.
something else.
Ya, tú eres así.
It's me. Sit down. It's me.
Okay.
It's me. Okay, it's Matthew's nothing.
Okay. Oh my goodness. ¿Quién es más probable que no sepa qué día es? 2, 3. Sheila.
Mommy.
¿Yo?
Yes.
Papi. Matthew.
¿Por qué yo?
Because you're like, no.
Recién es lunes, el día será viernes.
Not me.
It's Matthew?
No, I picked Matthew. He's always like when it's Monday. Today is Friday. No, he's always like that.
Papi?
Papa.
Okay, papi. Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, ¿quién es más probable de ponerse la ropa al revés? To wear their clothes inside out. Or backwards. Uno, dos, tres. Papi.
Matthew.
No!
Daddy.
Okay.
Come on, only me.
Papi, it's just a game. ¿Quién es más probable de escuchar conversaciones privadas? Who's most likely to listen to private conversations? 1, 2, 3. Daniela?
Shayla.
No. Shayla.
Me.
Elizabeth.
Shayla.
Yeah.
It's Shayla.
Matthew.
Shayla's always like,
¿Quién es más probable de hacer parar el carro para bajarse a hacer pipí?
what?
Who's most likely to ask to stop the car to go and do pee? 1, 2, 3.
I'm not ready. Papi. Me.
Papi.
I mean Matthew, not me.
Yo?
Yeah.
You?
I'm not ready. Papi. Matthew. Hey, you don't pick me. You cannot pick me. I just pick you.
Papi, yeah.
No, you
¿Quién es más probable de meter a la familia en problemas? Who's most likely to get the family in trouble? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Matthew.
Matthew.
Daniela.
Not me anymore.
¿Por qué la Dani?
Not me anymore.
¿Quién es más probable de comer del suelo? Who's most likely to eat from the floor? 1, 2, 3. Papi.
Matthew.
Matthew.
What the?
Muy bien.
No, I choose Daddy. You're so bad at this. Mommy?
Matthew. He's like,
Yeah,
oh
why
no.
did you choose it?
¿Quién es más probable de cantar las canciones que suenan en el carro?
Mommy.
1, 2, 3. Matthew.
Mommy.
Sheila. Mommy. Okay.
Hey, not me.
Okay.
That's mommy.
¿Quién es más probable que toque a un perro desconocido en la calle?
Who? What?
Who's most likely to touch a dog that you don't know in the street? Who's most likely to touch a dog in the street? 1, 2, 3. Elizabeth.
Yeah,
Elizabeth.
it's so Ellie.
¿Quién es más probable de hacer un desorden?
What?
Who's most likely to make a mess? 1, 2,
No,
3.
Matthew.
Danny.
Matthew.
No, oh.
No.
It's Matthew. He's always
Danny.
Yeah.
Okay, Danny. ¿Quién es más probable de tener varias tazas en el cuarto?
Wait, what?
Who's most likely to have cups in their room? 1, 2, 3. Sheila.
Because I always see because one time, I think it was
That's
yesterday.
mommy's cups.
No.
For coffee. Everything.
Sheila. ¿Quién es más probable de diseñar la casa de sus sueños?
Who is it?
Who's most likely to design their dream house? 1, 2, 3. Sheila.
Nanny. Me.
Mami. Yes.
Me.
Matthew. Mami. Yes. ¿Quién es más probable de ponerse una camiseta manga corta en el invierno? Who's most likely to wear a short sleeve in the winter time? 1, 2, 3. Danny.
Matthew. He's literally doing it right now. No, not me.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
¿Quién es más probable que gane en una pelea de bolas de nieve? Who's most likely to win at a snowball fight? ¿Quién gana en la pelea de nieve?
1, 2, 3.
Papi.
No, me. What do you mean? Me. I always go them. Like a bit, no ball, and
No, it's Papi. Papi grabs a snowball there, right in the head. He wins on everything.
Okay.
Mommy, no way.
¿Quién es más probable de completar un reto? Who's most likely to complete a challenge? 1, 2, 3. Papi.
mommy.
Yeah. Matthew.
Papi wins at everything.
Daniela.
No, I'm in at the top section.
Yeah. Okay. ¿Quién es más probable de quedarse despierto toda la noche?
No,
Who's most
Juan,
likely
no,
to
Juan,
stay
she won't.
awake the whole night? 1, 2, 3.
Hey,
Mommy.
I'm not ready.
Me.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
I picked myself. Yeah.
I like
Elizabeth?
saying what-
No.
No.
Okay.
No, we need to do it again. 1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3. Yeah. Okay. ¿Quién es más probable de hacer perder algo importante? Who's most likely to lose something important? 1, 2, 3.
Papi.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Me. I know who is it.
Matthew. ¿Quién es más probable de llegar atrasado?
What?
To be late somewhere. Who's most likely to be late? 1, 2, 3.
All of us. We're always late.
This one. Matthew, Mommy, yeah.
Mommy.
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 Did you choose me? Yeah. Oh. ¿Quién es más probable de despertarse en la mañana de Navidad?
What?
To wake up early in the morning for Christmas morning. ¿Quién es más probable de despertarse en la mañana de Navidad? La primera en despertarse. 1, 2, 3. Dani.
Danny.
Dani.
Me.
Ya.
Mommy.
Daniela.
What's that?
¿Quién es más probable de no cambiarse la ropa por una semana?
What?
Who's most likely to keep their clothes for a whole week? Not to change their clothes.
It's the easiest question in the history of questions.
2, 3.
Sheila! Me!
Sheila.
Sheila. Papi.
Papi.
What's yours?
¿Quién es más probable de inventar algo? Who's most likely to invent something?
What?
1,
2, 3. Danny! Yay! I am so talented.
Papi.
Yeah.
I'm so
Okay.
talented.
¿Quién es más probable de cerrar la puerta cuando está enojado? Who's most likely to slam the door when they're mad? 1, 2, 3. Matthew.
Everyone Matthew.
What was your answer before?
Ellie.
¿Quién es más probable de guardar una caja vacía? Who's most likely to put away empty box back in their spot? 1, 2, 3. Mami.
Me.
Mami. No.
Sheila.
No.
Mami.
You lost.
Sheila y
Mate
Juan.
ya.
Sheila y Juan siempre hacen
No,
eso.
aquí están las
No,
pruebas.
no.
It's a proof.
¿Quién es más probable de demorarse bañando?
That's easy.
What is it?
¿Quién es más who's most likely to take a long shower? 1, 2, 3.
What?
And me too.
And Matthew.
She was waiting in the bathroom for like an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Sheila.
So do mommy.
No.
Nobody was in.
No. Yeah.
I want ice cream with this baby.
Bueno, chicas, ahí vieron nuestras respuestas. Algunas eran un poco inesperadas, al menos de mi parte. Yo pienso que no todos dijeron la verdad y muchos mentían acerca de sus respuestas. Pero bueno, aquí vamos a terminar el video. Esperamos que hayan disfrutado y nos vemos en la próxima.
Ciao.
Chao, chicas.